I met Babsy Grange in Toronto. She actually was my manager, like road manager and all of that. And we have always been close. I could always see her, call her. We could always sit and talk, because Babsy Grange is a people person, you know, and that's what I love about her. Wherever part of the society you might be from, she always have time to hear you out. She is deserving, of all of the merits that one could offer, because she's a real, genuine human being. I said to her, and she thought it's a joke, but I was really serious. I was hoping that she would run for prime minister.